refuge. You're everything I'm not. 'Cause today I declare victory. In you I trust. You are Alpha and Omega, who is and was. Everything needed, more than enough. You're the one I can run to when the one I can talk to when I'm feeling down. My heart is at rest when you're around. And nobody in this world can love me like you do. With everything I have, my heart says, teach me your way. Teach me your way. So that I may rely on your faithfulness and undivided heart. So that I may feel your name.
Lord, you are my refuge. You're everything I'm not. 'Cause today I declare victory. In you I trust. You're Alpha and Omega, who is and was. You're everything we needed, more than enough. You're the one I can run to when you're the one I can talk to when I'm feeling down. My heart is at rest when you're around. Ain't nobody in this world can love me like you do. With everything I have, my heart will say, oh, teach me your way. Teach me your way. So that I may rely on your faithfulness and undivided heart. So that I may feel your name.
I've been looking and searching through in every way.
Hoping and praying for a better way.
So many times we ask for healing, but it doesn't come easy. For what it's worth, it's just a healing, for a healing completely. And all that we ask and all that we give, however small,